how to how to download apps and websites of on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download apps and websites of on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy, and now settings, and then go down, click download your information and click the select all and go down until you find this one, apps and websites of Facebook. Click on it and then click create file, and after you click on it just wait until the file created. And that's how to download apps and websites of Facebook on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.